Good evening, distinguished guests, teachers, and fellow students. My name is Natalie Yang Saunders, and I am currently studying at Crescent Girls' School. I am honored to be here today to receive the PSLE Special Achievement Award. My journey with MindStretcher began in Primary 5, where I studied English, Math, and Science. Initially, I scored AL14 in my prelims, but with the help of my dedicated teachers and their unique methods, I managed to achieve an AL11 in my PSLE, a drastic improvement that allowed me to get into my dream school. One of the key factors in my success was the reward system my teachers used to encourage us. For instance, my teachers would buy us drinks or small gifts if we scored an AL2, which motivated me to strive for better results. The teachers at MindStretcher were not only supportive, but also added humor to their lessons, making lessons more enjoyable. There were countless times where I couldn't hold back my laughter during class. Moreover, the encouragement from my teachers was invaluable. Even when I was at the bottom of the class, they always made me feel like I was improving and doing my best. Their positive reinforcements helped me stay motivated, even when other students were scoring higher. From my journey, I have learned that perseverance and a positive attitude are crucial for overcoming challenges. While it's important to aim for good grades, it is equally important to enjoy the learning process and not be disheartened by setbacks. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards achieving your goals. To my fellow students, remember that improvement is possible with dedication and the right support. Embrace every opportunity to learn and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. As long as you keep pushing forward and stay resilient, you can achieve your dreams. As Albert Einstein once said, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Let's continue to move forward and strive for our best in everything we do. Thank you.